Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to check if your Android device is rooted, how to unroot it, and how you can root it again if needed. So let's get started. First of all, you can see that my device is already rooted. To verify whether your device is rooted or not, you can use any root checker app from the Play Store. Now, if you want to unroot your device, simply follow these steps. Number 1, open the Magisk Manager app. Number 2, tap on the Uninstall Magisk option. Number 3, choose Complete Uninstall. Once you confirm, your device will automatically restart. After the reboot, you'll notice that your device is now completely unrooted. If you want to root your device, again, you need to flash Magisk or any other root zip file using a custom recovery like twarp. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.